Welcome back to the channel. My name is Cole Shelton, and we can go ahead and actually cover Quant. Now, Quant has absolutely been ripping since the almost end of January. We've pumped up around 25%. Now, I was actually wrong when I made this prediction. I didn't really make predictions. I was just letting you guys know key levels. I really don't make much predictions. I give you guys key levels that you could find resistance or support on. Now, we had this triangle pattern kind of forming, and I said with the overall sentiment of the market, when we have Bitcoin kind of starting to round off, I thought Bitcoin's bearish. We just have time. We just need time to pull back and hit this trend line before coming down. We could make a double bottom. I'm not saying we're going to go down even lower. I'm saying if there's a price target, our next floor is going to be at 30,000. But we have to see what's happening in the present moment. I'm not trying to anticipate. I'm trying to react. And if you guys watched my quant video, I said you guys should not take this trade, whatever I say. Wait for a retest, wait to go long or short. If I am not telling you guys to take a trade, this is not a trading strategy. I'm telling you guys where the key levels are, where you could have take profits, where you could have stop losses, but not a trade. This is not a trade. Nice retest of the 90 EMA wasn't perfect, but we did get that pop and continue lower. Where could Quant go? There's a lot of selling pressure coming into this area. A lot of selling pressure. We can see that from these wicks, come back, retest this level, same here. And if we actually go ahead and zoom out, I bet you will see, yep, there's that previous high. So people are selling into this area, waiting for it to come back. I would like a bigger retest of Quant, excuse me, guys, to actually come down and retest this level before continuing higher. Nice higher low. And we'll see if Quant can actually pump like it did last time. That'd be ideal. I mean, Quant's definitely one of those that could have a nice supply shock, and it would be the ones that I would bet that would run against the market. Like Bitcoin's down, Quant's moving up. People are throwing money into Quant because it only has 14 million in supply. I think 14.6. Yeah, 14.6 million in supply, 12 million circulating. Now that's lower than Bitcoin. It's more scarce than Bitcoin, and Quant is actually trying to do something. They're trying to make every single ecosystem, every single project connect together. So that is extremely bullish. I'm extremely bullish on Quant. I think there's a lot that could happen, but let's go. I mean, right now the price action is just, we need to pull back. And the overall market is just going to be decided by Bitcoin and these regulations and what the White House are doing, saying the national security, crypto's a national security. But I don't understand why we're letting these politicians who know nothing about cryptocurrencies make these regulations. I'm sure I know more, and the average TikToker who makes videos about cryptocurrency, about cryptos, know more about blockchain, smart contracts, how the whole ecosystem works more than any fucking politician. You know, Biden doesn't even know what a fucking Bitcoin is. Not to get political, but I'm just saying, Biden, dementia, he's not. Nobody in the White House knows what crypto is, and they're making laws because they want to stay in power. They don't want to lose it. So we're going to get into a free market where it's going to be just like the stock market, just a different kind of like different things you can trade, different things you can invest in. It's a little bit more technical than the stock market, or they're going to ban it altogether because they don't want to lose power. And we are going to go to a war with Russia because Russia likes crypto. Cryptocurrency is not a national risk. I mean, they're saying it's a national risk because they want everybody to be scared of it and vote people into power that are going to let everybody else know that to stay away from it and not make any money from it. Yeah, so Quant is getting whipsawed around at the moment. Made a new high, nice lower high. I think we're going to pull back even more, possibly down to 92, come back for the retest. If we cannot, I mean, maybe even 100. 100 is going to be a key level. We broke 100, came into some selling, and then we had people buying, scooping it up at 100 before moving higher. That would have been a nice key level. We have it's a natural resistance as well, but we also have some support here. Resistance. There's so many levels where it touched that it's just a good level. Thank you so much for watching. I know this really wasn't a price analysis, technical analysis, just me kind of talking to you guys about quant, but that's why I like keeping it keeping it in that. But that's why I like keeping it these short videos, because I don't need to waste your time. There's not a trade. There's not a trade on every single time I look at the charts. You got to be patient. I'm just updating you guys where the key levels are. So if you guys do enjoy this video, please smash that subscribe button. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.